How to complete your master's or doctorate research and thesis writing using AsterWrite software. Your master's or doctorate program is a significant aspiration of your life. It costs you a lot of money and time. It takes several years of committed endeavor to reach your aspiration. It is the journey of your life. Many students drop out due to various problems. In this video, see for yourself what it takes to complete your program. Prepare your journey and reach your destination in the best possible way with AsterWrite. Take the first step to AsterWrite. Every step leads to the next step. Every step has an application or app, just like mobile phone apps. Every app performs a specific function. Complete all the necessary apps and see your progress. The Candidate Information app collects details about the researcher, information about you, the user, and details of your research program. These details are used within the research and thesis. AsterWrite uses a project management approach for your progress schedule. You can plan your schedule, keep to time, and graduate on time. See how the Progress Monitor displays your progress month by month, chapter by chapter. For new students, AsterWrite helps you to identify your area of research. What is a good research topic for you? Conduct fact-finding to identify a good research topic for you. The fact-finding app saves much time in the long run. You can evaluate the best research topic for yourself. Use a mind map to visualize your interests and evaluate what is best for you. Evaluate what can be conducted and what can be completed timely. Based on the evaluation, use one of three methods to create your thesis title. AsterWrite automatically guides you to conform to a good thesis title. Once your thesis title is determined, AsterWrite displays how your title page looks. This helps to build your confidence and take you forward. Based on the thesis title, AsterWrite guides you to make a thesis statement. You need to take a stand, make your claim, defend this claim, and change the worldview. Then specify a general aim. The accomplishment of this general aim is necessary and sufficient to defend the thesis statement. The general objectives follow from the general aim. It is common to have more than one general objective. Each general objective must contribute to knowledge. AsterWrite guides you to search for academic sources in a very efficient way. Use the search strings feature to include topic, issue, and scope of interest. Limit the sites and file types to build the search string. Copy the search string and paste in search. Example, Google Scholar. AsterWrite also has preset search sources. Simply select what to search and see suggestions. This is useful for students to find important sources. Academic sources of interest can be collated in the reference. Download all useful references and save them to your project. Collate the references and use them to generate citations. Conduct a systematic literature review using AsterWrite. Create a mind map and associate the excerpts. Identify the gaps and variables, IV, DV. You can visualize the literature review in a clear graphical method. Every item on the mind map calls all the related excerpts. This enables you to write an effective literature review. Subscribe to our channel to see videos on literature review. Create your conceptual map using AsterWrite. The conceptual map helps you to visualize relationships. Create a literature map using AsterWrite. The literature map shows the sources which support the conceptual map. This is a fully automatic feature of AsterWrite. Conduct your gap analysis to identify knowledge gaps. Do this systematically with supporting reasons for the gap. Citations are created easily and can be used throughout your thesis. AsterWrite has a phrasebook. The phrasebook helps you to express your ideas effectively. There are hundreds of ideas in the phrasebook. AsterWrite also has a nursery. The nursery helps you to construct a complex idea in a simple way. Example, what should you include in a problem definition? The nursery helps you to develop the idea. Next, construct your research question in a unique way. Variables are taken from the literature review, mind map, and synthesized into research questions. The test associated with the research question is selected by AsterWrite. All selected tests have data templates. Once the data is entered or imported through Excel, data analysis is done. AsterWrite offers over 20 research paradigms. Select the research paradigm that best fits your research. The test method is also selected in the research question. This explains the underlying statistical concept of the test. Sampling methods are also available. You can review the sampling methods that best fits your data collection. Data collection is simple. Collect the required data and enter the data or upload through Excel files. Data analysis can be quantitative or qualitative. Here, the results of a t-test is displayed one-sided left, two-sided, and one-sided right. Formulas are built in with test conditions and test decisions. Data analysis can be qualitative. AsterWrite has a beautiful way of enabling qualitative analysis. You can create code, concept, constructs for questionnaires, grounded theory, phenomenology, etc., together with demography data. Research findings is a beautiful feature in AsterWrite. Once data analysis is completed, all research findings are collated. Hypotheses are stated, decisions are provided, and conclusions are supported. Research conclusions is another beautiful feature in AsterWrite. The research aims are compared to the research findings. If the research findings support the research aims, the hypothesis is supported. Findings that support the aims are contribution to knowledge. List your contribution to knowledge and state your research achievements. Your research steps into a new knowledge boundary. Now make the recommendations. Recommendations are made to the collaborating establishment. With all aspects of the research completed, you can synthesize everything all together. You can export your dossier to a Word file for further editing. Edit to conform to your university guidelines and submit your thesis. Use your Word file to generate the table of contents. Go further to publish your research paper. There is another module that helps you to publish paper. Subscribe to our channel to see videos on how to publish paper and realize your dream. For more information, see our other videos on research and thesis writing following your interests. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.